In this video, we're going to talk about the Brickfield Accessibility Review block. So this course has already been processed. We have the block added to the class, and you'll see here it shows me a kind of a count of the errors and the types of resources those are on. We have some guides that can kind of help you with how to fix some of those errors. If we look across the bottom here, we have the Accessibility Online Review Report, and this is the same as if we go in the link under More and look at. Additionally, we can download this report, and we can look at the overview report. Again, the same thing that we can get to if we click under the More link to accessibility. However, additionally to this first little eyeball on the block is a heat map, and when we turn that on, we can see for each resource on the main page if it passed the review, if it failed, and how many errors are within that piece. So this is kind of an easy way to look through these. Now, one thing I want to point out is even with that turned on, if I switch to student view with this is not available. So this is only for the instructor. Notice the block doesn't even appear to the student view. So don't feel like if you have this on, students are going to see this. This is just for the teacher view as a way to kind of point out areas you might want to look at.